My background is the hotel industry. I was a general manager for 15 years prior to coming to Renue Systems, and I was first a customer. And they were servicing my hotel, and I was blown away by their professionalism, the quality of the service, and it made me think this was a good business model when I found out that they had opportunities in Texas, where I was from, that I could start my own business in Texas. And I was a little reluctant at first because you're quitting a job with a base salary, going to start your own business with zero revenue, so it was kind of scary. But the experience with the support team in Chicago has been phenomenal, from technical aspect, from the sales and marketing, anything that we needed to succeed, they were there for us. And from the beginning to today, I'm 14 years in and they are still behind me all the way if ever I need anything. I would definitely start a Renue franchise again. There were some ups and downs, but for the most part, it's been above and beyond my expectations.